Colour is very emotive. It can create a serene space or create something that's quite nurturing and cocooning. With the right colour, you can just create the most magical home. So today we're at the Melbourne Museum and we are all attending a colour workshop to help us land on the 2026 colour palette. This year we're taking a new approach. We've got people from florists to fashion to laminates to help us find the perfect colour palette.
It's giving us different points of view. Like, I'm getting excited. I want to start playing with colour schemes.
We've got quite a few activities and one of them is building a palette based around biophilic design.
We love bringing natural colours into play, from a green to a terracotta, and then a couple of, small ratios of vivid colours.
It's really interesting hearing people coming from different industries and talking about how colour relates to what they do.
I naturally have to think commercially because of the space that I work in.
It's been fun, matching bolder choices as well as neutral tones that are trending in the industry at the moment.
Well done, guys. Taubmans is a proud 128-year-old brand. Colour touches so many industries and we're simplifying their product journey.